In this lesson, we are going to learn about redistribution of charge. There is one spherical conductor of radius r1. This is having a charge q1. So this charge will automatically get uniformly distributed on the outer surface. There is another spherical conductor of radius r2 having a charge q2. So this charge will automatically get distributed on its outer surface. Now, when these two spherical conductors are connected by a conducting wire, charge will flow from one to the other till the potential of both of them become equal. Charge will flow as long as there is a potential difference. So this will reach a potential V, this will reach a potential V. Now this will have a charge Q1 dash, this will have a charge Q2 dash. We want to find out Q1 dash and Q2 dash. So now we know that potential of both of them are same. Therefore, charge on them will be proportional to their capacitance. Capacitance is the capacity to store charge for a given potential. So potential is same. So Q dash is proportional to C. This means Q1 dash by Q2 dash will be equal to C1 by C2. Q is proportional to C. Q dash is proportional to C. And C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R for a spherical conductor. So 4 pi epsilon naught R1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R2. So 4 pi epsilon naught cancels. We get R1 by R2. Q1 dash by Q2 dash is C1 by C2 is equal to R1 by R2. Now if we apply a little bit of mass, we realize that Q1 dash divided by Q1 dash plus Q2 dash will be equal to C1 by C1 plus C2, and that is also equal to R1 by R1 plus R2. Right? Like mass you learn componendo dividendo, so that we applied and we get this. We want to find Q1 dash. So therefore Q1 dash will now become C1 by C1 plus C2 multiplied by Q1 dash plus Q2 dash. But Q1 dash plus Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Conservation of charge. These charges Q1 and Q2 have got redistributed and become Q1 dash and Q2 dash. Therefore charge is conserved. So therefore Q1 dash plus Q2 dash is same as Q1 plus Q2. Therefore Q1 dash will be C1 by C1 plus C2 into Q1 dash plus Q2 dash, which is Q1 plus Q2. And this will also be equal to R1 by R1 plus R2 multiplied by this, which is same as Q1 plus Q2. So this is how the charge Q1 dash will be. Same way we can find Q2 dash. So Q2 dash will be equal to C2 by C1 plus C2 multiplied by Q1 plus Q2, and that is same as R2 by R1 plus R2 Q1 plus Q2. So this is how the charges will get redistributed. There is one spherical conductor having charge Q1, radii R1. Another spherical conductor having charge Q2 of radii R2. When they are connected by a conducting wire, charge flew from one to the other till the potential of both of them became equal. So therefore, the charge now will be proportional to capacitance, and capacitance for a spherical conductor is proportional to radius. Therefore, Q1 dash by Q2 dash is C1 by C2 equal to R1 by R2. Then we apply componendo dividendo, and we got Q1 dash by Q1 dash plus Q2 dash equal to C1 by C1 plus C2 equal to R1 by R1 plus R2. But by conservation of charge, Q1 plus Q2 is same as Q1 dash plus Q2 dash, because this charge has got redistributed to this. Therefore, we realize Q1 dash equal to C1 by C1 plus C2 into Q1 plus Q2 equal to R1 by R1 plus R2 into Q1 plus Q2, and Q2 dash is C2 by C1 plus C2 into Q1 plus Q2, and that is also equal to R2 by R1 plus R2 whole multiplied by Q1 plus Q2.